South America, a continent of superlatives, home to the world's largest rainforest and longest mountain range. From the Andes to the Amazon, life pulsates in dazzling forms. Join us to uncover the hidden wonders of this remarkable land. Encounter unique creatures and marvel at ancient landscapes. From the Amazon to Patagonia and the Andes to the Galapagos, prepare to be captivated by this extraordinary continent. Let us begin our adventure into the heart of South America. Imagine a forest so vast it can be seen from space, a place where the trees themselves create their own weather. This is the Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth, a realm of towering trees, winding rivers, and teeming life. The Amazon basin sprawls across 9 countries, its dense canopy covering an area larger than the entirety of Australia. It is a place of immense age, its origins dating back millions of years, its evolution shaping the very air we breathe. Here, the air hangs heavy with humidity, the scent of damp earth and decaying vegetation mingling with the sweet perfume of orchids. Sunlight struggles to penetrate the dense canopy, casting an ethereal green glow on the forest floor. This is a world of constant change where life and death are locked in an intricate dance, and where every creature from the smallest insect to the largest predator plays a vital role. The Galapagos Islands, once a haven for pirates and whalers, are now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to their incredible biodiversity and ecological significance. But this fragile paradise faces numerous threats. Introduced species such as rats and goats pose a significant danger to the native wildlife, while climate change threatens to disrupt the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. But there is hope. Dedicated scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to protect the island's unique flora and fauna. Strict regulations are in place to minimize the impact of tourism, while ongoing research programs aim to better understand and mitigate the threats facing this fragile ecosystem. The future of the Galapagos Islands rests in our hands. By raising awareness, supporting conservation efforts, and practicing responsible tourism, we can all play a part in ensuring that this extraordinary living laboratory continues to inspire and amaze generations to come. Patagonia, a land of stark beauty and dramatic contrasts where towering peaks pierce the heavens and vast glaciers carve their way through ancient landscapes. This is a realm of extremes shaped by the relentless forces of nature. From the windswept plains to the ice-capped mountains, Patagonia is a testament to the power of the elements. Here the air is crisp and clean, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and the distant roar of waterfalls. This is a land of giants, where condors soar effortlessly on thermals and guanacos roam the grasslands in vast herds. It's a place where the boundaries between land and water blur, as fjords cut deep into the coastline creating a labyrinth of islands and inlets. This is Patagonia, a land of unparalleled grandeur where adventure awaits at every turn. For those drawn to the call of the wild, Patagonia offers a playground of unrivaled adventure. Trekkers can test their mettle on the legendary trails of Torres del Paine National Park, where granite peaks cast long shadows across turquoise lakes. Ice climbers can challenge themselves on the vertical walls of Perito Moreno Glacier, a colossal river of ice that calves into Lago Argentino with thunderous roars, and kayakers can paddle through tranquil fjords, surrounded by towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls. But Patagonia is not just for adrenaline junkies. Wildlife enthusiasts can marvel at the abundance of marine life in the Valdez Peninsula, where southern right whales come to breed in the sheltered bays, and penguins waddle along the shores. Whether you seek adventure or simply a glimpse into the raw beauty of the natural world, Patagonia is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Yet this wild and untamed land is also a fragile paradise facing the increasing pressures of climate change and human impact. Glaciers are receding at an alarming rate and delicate ecosystems are threatened by pollution and habitat loss. But there is hope. Local communities are working tirelessly to protect Patagonia's natural heritage, promoting sustainable tourism and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. By treading lightly and respecting the delicate balance of nature, we can all play a part in preserving this extraordinary wilderness for generations to come. Patagonia, a land of extremes, a playground for adventurers and a fragile paradise that deserves our respect and protection. Deep within the heart of Venezuela lies a waterfall like no other. Angel Falls, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's raw power. Plunging from Ollantaytambo, it cascades in a mesmerizing ribbon of white. Nearly a kilometer high, Angel Falls is the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, a thunderous roar echoing through the jungle. Rainfall gathers in a vast natural basin before plunging over the precipice. The fall creates a fine mist, painting rainbows across the jungle canopy. Angel Falls, where the sky meets the earth in a symphony of sound and spray. Reaching Angel Falls is a journey in itself, an adventure into the heart of the Venezuelan jungle. The journey often begins in the small town of Canema, a gateway to Canema National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From Canema, small propeller planes ferry intrepid travelers over vast swathes of emerald green rainforest, offering tantalizing glimpses of the falls from the air. The roar, even from a distance, is enough to stir the soul. But to truly experience the awe-inspiring power of Angel Falls, one must journey by boat, navigating the winding waterways that snake through the jungle. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of exotic birds and the buzz of unseen insects. The journey culminates in a clearing, the falls emerging from the mist, a breathtaking spectacle that words can hardly describe. For centuries, the indigenous Pemon people have revered Angel Falls, calling it Karapakupai Vena, meaning waterfall of the deepest place. To them, it is a sacred place, a source of power and wonder, and it's easy to see why. Standing at the base of the falls, feeling the spray on your face, listening to the deafening roar, is an experience that stays with you long after you've left. Angel Falls, a testament to the raw power of nature, a journey into the heart of the jungle, and a sacred place that continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. In the heart of South America, sprawling across the borders of Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay, lies a wetland of astonishing scale, the Pantanal. A vast mosaic of flooded grasslands, rivers, and forests, it's a paradise for wildlife and a testament to the intricate web of life. During the rainy season, the Pantanal transforms into a shallow inland sea, its waters teeming with fish, its grasslands a vibrant tapestry of life. It's a time of abundance, a critical breeding ground for countless species. The Pantanal is a land of giants, home to the largest rodent on Earth, the capybara, a creature that resembles a giant guinea pig, perfectly adapted to this watery world. Jaguars, the apex predators of this realm, stalk their prey through the tall grasses, their sleek coats blending seamlessly with the shadows. This is the Pantanal, a delicate ecosystem, a haven for wildlife, and a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. For birdwatchers, the Pantanal is nothing short of a paradise. Over 650 bird species have been recorded here, a dazzling array of colors, songs, and behaviors. Flocks of egrets and herons wade in the shallows, their plumage a brilliant white against the blue sky. The iconic hyacinth macaw, the largest parrot in the world, graces the skies with its vibrant blue feathers. Jabiru storks, their long legs perfect for wading, stalk through the shallows. It's not just the number of birds, but the ease of observation that makes the Pantanal special. With few trees to obstruct And now, we journey to a place unlike any other on Earth, a place where the very air seems to shimmer with an otherworldly presence. This is the Valley of the Moon, or Valle de la Luna, nestled within the heart of Chile's Atacama Desert. Here, time seems to stand still. The landscape, sculpted by millennia of wind and erosion, stretches before us in a breathtaking panorama of salt flats, sand dunes, and rugged rock formations. The colors too are extraordinary, ranging from the purest white of the salt pans to the deep ochre and crimson of the surrounding cliffs. The Valley of the Moon is a place of stark beauty, where the forces of nature have created a truly alien environment. It's a landscape that has captivated explorers and dreamers for centuries, and it's not hard to see why. For photographers, the Valley of the Moon is a dream come true. The play of light and shadow across the undulating dunes, the sharp contrast between the white salt and the dark rocks, the vastness of the sky, all these elements combine to create a visual feast for the senses. The best time to capture the magic of this place is undoubtedly at sunset. As the sun begins its descent, the entire valley is bathed in a warm, ethereal glow. The colors of the rocks intensify, the shadows lengthen and the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues. But even during the day, the Valley of the Moon offers endless opportunities for stunning photography. The clear, dry air enhances the colors and textures of the landscape, while the lack of vegetation means there are no distractions from the raw beauty of the scene. As the darkness descends, the Valley of the Moon undergoes another remarkable transformation. With no light pollution to obscure the view, the stars emerge in all their glory, twinkling like celestial diamonds scattered across the inky black canvas of the night sky. This is one of the driest places on Earth, and the clear, stable atmosphere makes it an ideal location for stargazing. Astronomers from around the world flock here to observe the heavens, drawn by the unparalleled clarity of the night sky. Standing beneath this celestial tapestry, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's a humbling experience that reminds us of our place in the vastness of the cosmos. We journey now to the eastern slopes of the Andes Mountains, where the air is thick with moisture, and a veil of mist hangs heavy in the air. This is the realm of the cloud forests, a magical world where the mountains seem to disappear into the clouds. Here, the trees are draped in a lush tapestry of mosses, ferns, and orchids, their leaves constantly dripping with moisture. The air is alive with the sound of rushing water, as countless streams and waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides. These forests are havens for biodiversity, home to a bewildering array of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. It's a world of vibrant colors, strange sounds, and a constant sense of discovery. Amongst the most dazzling inhabitants of the cloud forests are the hummingbirds. These tiny, iridescent creatures flit through the undergrowth, their wings beating so fast they create a faint humming sound. With their long, slender beaks, they sip nectar from the brightly colored flowers that bloom in profusion throughout the forest. From the brilliant emerald of the green-violet ear to the fiery orange of the Andean cock of the rock, the cloud forests are a symphony of color and movement. But the cloud forests are also home to larger creatures, such as the spectacled bear. This elusive creature, named for the distinctive markings around its eyes, is the last remaining bear species native to South America. Exploring the cloud forests is an unforgettable experience. The air is cool and damp, the forest floor is soft and springy beneath foot, and the air is filled with the sounds of nature. Visitors can hike along well-maintained trails, marvel at the cascading waterfalls, and immerse themselves in the sights and sounds of this unique ecosystem. Many choose to stay in eco-lodges, built in harmony with the surrounding environment. The Andes cloud forests are a testament to the power of nature, a place where life thrives in the most unexpected of places. It's a world that begs to be explored, a world that will stay with you long after you've left. From the steamy depths of the Amazon rainforest to the windswept peaks of the Andes, South America is a continent of unparalleled natural wonders. We've witnessed the incredible diversity of the Galapagos Islands, marveled at the power of Angel Falls, and felt the raw beauty of the Atacama Desert. We've encountered creatures great and small, from the majestic jaguar to the tiny hummingbird, each perfectly adapted to its environment. We've seen landscapes that defy description, from the surreal salt flats of the Valley of the Moon to the mist-shrouded Andes cloud forests. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of South America for yourself, to witness its beauty firsthand, to breathe in its fresh air, and to connect with the natural world in a way that only travel can provide.